What's going on, folks? My name is Josh and you are watching The Outdoor Dude. Today I'm out with my buddy Eric. We're gonna do a little drifting and trolling up the creek and down the creek. Let's see how it works.
Look at that big mamma jamma, folks.
All right, guys, quick update. We are here, we're trolling. We got a couple rods in the water. We got the tips down in the water because there's so much weeds on the surface. We want to make sure that we keep these lines as clean as possible for as long as possible. See, that rod's just the same there. Buddy Eric here is master at trolling. He's master at big water. And this is his forte. GoPro battery died on me. GoPro battery died on me, but we still got this camera, guys.
Wow, this is a blue walleye.
A blue walleye?
Yeah, look at it. Here, get that hook out for me. My arms are twisty.
There we go.
Blue walleye.
Oh, look at that thing, guys.
Look at this thing. Oneida Lake blue walleye.
So we're running large Rapalas, and we've got probably number 9s, number 11s in the water right now. We are on the hunt for large pike. Or we got, correction, we've got 14s. We're gonna troll up the creek and do this, troll back down the creek, kind of drift, use the troll motor to keep ourselves tight to the bank, and we're gonna run just different lures, try to put a pattern together to catch some creek smallmouth or some largemouth bass.
Black and silver palomir. Oh yeah.
We got a fish on.
We got us a little walleye here.
Yeah. Just trolling up the creek. Got a, oh, it's a nice eye.
That's keeper.
We're not
keeping it.
We're not. I got these if you want them, and I got these too.
Here, I'll let you do the honors. That one's barely in.
Yep. That's the rough one.
Both of us just hammered fish right there.
Nice eye. Yeah, right when the
We lost one and we landed one.
my guess is right when the hole stopped being a hole, and it was like that hard ledge on its way up. And they went for the black and silver over the fire tiger. Fish on, fish on.
Rock bass.
Rock bass, dead stick. We stopped moving and the lure just floated up.
We were plugging technically.
Oh, yeah, we were. He was just kind of holding us like spot lock, except he was doing it with the boat motor himself. Captain lock, we'll call it that. And yeah, caught a decent little rock bass. All right, little update, guys. We've got a rock bass. We got that walleye you guys saw. We are anchored off at the front of the boat right now, just letting the current go past us, kind of plugging away. Got a lure. We had a couple lures out. We got one out. He's casting one around, and I'm going to run this chatterbait. This spot is known for smallies and northerns. So we're going to try to see what we can get. Go. The log. Oh, right in the gut, dude. That'd be cool to watch on slow-mo on the camera. To watch that lure just come zinging back right at waist level. Oh, man. We know how bad that could have been. Got one. Fish. Oh, what is that?
Pike, pickerel?
Big old pickerel.
Slimer. Either that. Probably.
It's either that or I'll fish grip the lips if he doesn't break me off. Oh, he broke me off. Should have got the net.
I already had it in my hand.
Yeah. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. That pickerel hit hard. Fish.
Fish on.
Oh. Fish. Oh. Didn't set the hook hard enough, I guess. That was smallie. Oh, right over that branch. You dummy. Oh, get it. Stop swinging. Stop swinging. Hup. Oh, no. Went right on another. Hup, hup, hup. All right.
Professional.
Yep. Guys, catch me on tour. Oh, my God. Catch me on tour. Don't worry. Come on, smallmouth. I've had him rip the blades off of one of these baits. They just come right up and nailed the blades like it was the blades making him angry. Got one. This fish is pulling drag. Oh my.
Northern pike.
Sweet.
Big flopping. Big flopping. Swim towards it.
Yeah. It's probably my biggest northern so far. That is a decent northern, guys. Oop, because of my hook, I ripped through his lip, so I'm going to let him down as quickly as possible. That's a nice fish. Sweet. It's good to go. Awesome. That's cool. That's the biggest northern I've caught. That's definitely, we didn't measure it, but that's definitely my northern PB.
6 pounds, 8 pounds or something.
What do you think, 22?
Oh, it's probably only 28.
28? Cool. That'd definitely be the biggest northern I've caught.
Maybe bigger. I don't really know. I don't look at them in inches. I look at how heavy they are.
For those of you who've seen most of my other videos, this is the guy that caught the giant muskie in my multi-species blowout video. Caught it off the dang bank. Fish a 10,000 cast for most, fish a 4 cast for Eric.
Yeah, but that was my 3rd muskie. £20 test and a pail of don't mix.
Oh, that, yeah. Fish! Smallmouth!
No, giant rock bass.
Fighting like a smallmouth. Holy crap! Look at that rock bass, folks. Holy. It's justifiable that I thought this was a smallmouth. If you guys saw the way that fish just fought, holy crap. Ah, chill out, bud. I'm gonna let you go. Sweet, look at that thing. Look at the size of that rock bass. That's an extra large hand, extra large glove. Sweet. Later, bud. I stopped it too early. Oh, fish. Oh. Hey, I just let every other fish within a mile know we're here. Lead head right to the side of them. Aluminum boat. That's how you got to do it too, even if they're on them. Oh my God, I did it again. Oh yeah, I forgot to get that. I forgot to get that backlash out. I hope I don't get a fish.
Handline it.
All right.
How does this stuff happen?
Oh no. It's almost like my leader knot went bad or it just gave up, but that was a backlash and broke in the backlash, like inside it got weak or something.
Never seen.
Yeah, look at this. Look, you see where it's pinched and then frayed at the top?
Oh man.
It got screwed in the backlash. It just...
Something happened to it, yeah. Got wedged in.
And then you could see where I've already had a backlash and then had to retie and tie more line on because I couldn't do it, so I cut it out. Let's just say this reel is done for today. I'm gonna handle that when I get home. Whoa. Up on the bank over there. Awesome. Oh, what was that? All right, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. I had an awesome time fishing the creek with my buddy. Every time I go out with him, we have a pretty dang good time fishing. We were only out for maybe 2.5, 3 hours at the most in the evening, and we hammered the fish. Didn't get the bass that I was after, but I still had a really good time, and that's what fishing's all about. Guys, if you like this video, if you like videos like this and you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right here. And if you want to see more videos like this, check out the playlist of videos I've got set up for you guys right here, and I'll see you guys over there.